Welcome to Google Nest. Let's set up your Google Wi-Fi. Your Google Wi-Fi points replace your existing router and work together to create a mesh network that spreads a strong, reliable signal throughout your home. Google Wi-Fi includes 1 or 3 points, depending on the package you've purchased. There is also an Ethernet cable and power adapters for each device. One Wi-Fi point plugs into your internet provider's modem to create your Wi-Fi network, and each additional point adds more Wi-Fi coverage. To use your Google Wi-Fi, you will need a Google account, the Google Home app, internet service, and a modem for the internet service. If you don't have the Google Home app already, download it from the Google Play or the Apple App Store. Then set up a home for your devices. If you've already set up a home in the Google Home app, you're ready to start setup. Let's set up your first Google Wi-Fi point. Place the device near your modem and in plain view, like on a shelf or a TV stand. Avoid putting it next to other objects that could obstruct it. Now, connect your power cable to your Wi-Fi point. Connect the Ethernet cable to your Wi-Fi point. Then connect the other end to your modem. Plug the adapter into a power outlet. Wait about a minute. The light will slowly pulse blue when it's ready for setup. Open the Google Home app and add a new device. Tap on Set up new devices in your home. Then select your home. The app will now search for your device. When your Google Wi-Fi is found, tap Yes to set it up. When prompted, point your phone at the QR code on the bottom of your Wi-Fi point. The app will check your device's internet connection and finish preparing your Wi-Fi for setup. Finally, name your network and choose a secure password that will be hard for others to guess. You'll be able to easily share the password with friends and family through the app whenever you need to. When your Wi-Fi setup has finished, the device light will turn white. Now that you've set up your network, let's connect additional Google Wi-Fi points. Each point you add will provide additional coverage to your home by creating a mesh network. To provide Wi-Fi coverage to every corner of your home, spread your points evenly and no more than 2 rooms away from each other to create a strong signal between points. Depending on your home, building materials and other objects can interfere with or reduce your coverage. You may need to adjust the location of your Wi-Fi points if you experience issues. Connect your power cable to the point, then plug the adapter into a power outlet. Follow the instructions in the Google Home app to finish setup. Follow the same process to set up additional points. When you finish setting up all of your points, the Home app will run a mesh test to confirm your devices are correctly placed, online, and working together. You can use the Google Home app to change your Wi-Fi network password, run speed tests, set up parental controls, or create a guest network. That's it. Now you're ready to enjoy better Wi-Fi throughout your home. To learn more, visit the Google Wi-Fi Help Center.